Telepathic communication refers to the ability to transmit thoughts, feelings, or ideas between two or more individuals without using any known physical communication methods. It is often considered a form of extrasensory perception, ESP, and is sometimes referred to as mind reading. While many people claim to have experienced telepathy, there is no scientific evidence to support its existence. In this article, we will explore the concept of telepathic communication in more detail, examining its history, potential mechanisms, and scientific evidence. History of telepathic communication. The idea of telepathy has been around for centuries, with accounts of telepathic experiences appearing in ancient literature and folklore. In the 19th century, the concept of telepathy gained popularity in scientific circles, and experiments were conducted to test its validity. These experiments involved subjects attempting to communicate information to each other without the use of any known communication methods. While some of these experiments produced seemingly positive results, they were often criticized for their lack of scientific rigor and inconsistent findings. In the 20th century, parapsychologists continued to study telepathy, with some claiming to have found evidence of its existence. However, these claims were met with skepticism from the scientific community, who argued that the studies were poorly designed and lacked proper controls. Potential mechanisms of telepathic communication. If telepathy were to exist, there are several potential mechanisms that could explain how it works. One theory is that telepathy involves the transmission of information through a psychic medium, such as an invisible energy field or a form of quantum entanglement. Another theory is that telepathy is a form of non-local communication that occurs outside the bounds of time and space. Some researchers have suggested that telepathy could be linked to brain waves, with the transmission of information occurring through the synchronization of neural activity between two individuals. Others have proposed that telepathy is related to subtle changes in body language or facial expressions that are too subtle to be consciously perceived.